In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on Brother Printer DCP L2540DW. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So if you have this particular Brother printer model or any other similar one, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network using the control panel on the printer itself. So follow the instructions in this video, and as long as you know the name and the password of your network, you can get it to work. As you can see in these screenshots, I'm showing you the process being done on a 2541DW, but it is absolutely the same with your 2540, so don't worry. To start, press the menu button. This will give you plenty of categories that you can travel between. What you have to do is choose the fourth category network. To do this, use the up and down arrows at the right side of the printer's control panel. So navigate through all the options. You will be at 1, you go down to 2, go down to 3, and eventually go down to 4. Once 4 is selected here, you go ahead and press OK. Now select WLAN, so once more, navigate up and down through all of the options. Once WLAN is highlighted, you choose OK, and then you navigate to the third option within the WLAN category, Setup Wizard, and once more, you press OK. Now, within Setup Wizard, the very first step is to choose your network. So browse through the network names, go up and down through the list, and once you have your network highlighted, once more press OK. With this network selected, you now have to input the password. This is where it gets a little bit annoying. By default, you will start at 0, then you press up or down, you go to 1, go to 2, go to 3, and so on. So you navigate through all of the numbers. Eventually, you will begin the lowercase letters, the uppercase letters after you are done with the lowercase, and finally, special characters. So depending on the complexity of your password, you will have to spend a lot of time using the menu buttons here. So you will go up and down through all of these. When something that you selected is within your password, so let's say, for example, your password is ABCD, so you highlight A, you press OK. Now this field is going to be selected. You start going through all of them, then you go through A, go to B. Once B is selected, you press OK, the next field will be selected, and you keep going through all of them. Once you have the full password typed out, just press OK again without going up or down. So while this field is selected and it's empty, you can go ahead and press OK, and this password will be locked in. If it is correct, it will say connected, and you just have to wait for it to print this diagnostics paper. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.